These Oriental-style soy noodles are incredibly good. In fact, it's the same recipe I make at home. Let's try them together. Let's start with the chicken breast. I'm going to trim off the small bones and fat, and then cut it into pieces, as big as the ones I'll chop the vegetables into. Then I'll marinate it with seed oil, soy sauce, and the zest and juice of a lime. Give it a good mix-up, and put it to one side. Meanwhile, I'll take care of the vegetables. I've chosen a carrot. I'm going to peel it, cut it into discs, and then into strips. Then a nice red pepper, which I'm going to cut into strips. Then the spice that gives us that nice pungent balsamic touch that can't be left out, fresh ginger. I'll peel it, and again, I'm going to cut it very, very finely. Scallion, this is also essential. I'm going to put the green part aside and use it to decorate the dish. Green pepper, which again, we're going to cut into very, very thin slices. All that's missing is the garlic, which I'm also going to chop very finely. We've got everything. Let's head to the wok. The wok is nice and hot, and when I say nice and hot, I mean smoking. Add the chicken, which we're going to brown up well, keeping it at a medium-high temperature. When the chicken has a nice color and there's no more liquid at the bottom of the wok, we can transfer it to a plate. Keeping the wok nice and hot, add the peppers, chili, garlic, ginger, carrots, scallion, and let them cook for 5 minutes. Again, keeping the heat nice and high. Now the vegetables are lovely and crispy, just how I like them. Season with soy sauce. Add the chicken back to the wok. Soybean sprouts. Another 30 seconds, and we're ready. Very good. Turn off the heat. Put it to one side. And now I'll take care of the soy noodles. Bring the water to a boil. Add the soy noodles, and let them rehydrate for 3 minutes. Now that they're nice and soft, drain them and briefly run them under cold water. Turn the heat back on. Add the noodles. I'll add a little bit more soy sauce. This is optional, okay? Stir fry for another 30 seconds, and we can plate up. And to finish off, a little fresh scallion. And now we taste it. Really, really good. Make it yourself, okay?
Ciao!